Hi everyone, I am Dr. Vaishali Sharma, consultant gynecologist, laparoscopic surgeon and infertility specialist. आज हम बात करेंगे unexplained infertility. Whenever a couple is trying to conceive and they are not able to have a positive pregnancy result, then we try to find out the reason behind it. आपको बहुत सारे टेस्ट एडवाइस किए जाते हैं. There are some ultrasounds, there are some blood tests. The husband is asked to get a semen analysis done. जब हम ये सब बेसिक टेस्टिंग कर लेते हैं और उसमें भी कोई रीज़न नहीं मिलता, then in that case we advise the female partner to get a tubal testing done, that is called as HSG. और जब HSG करने के बाद में tubes are also found to be normal, that is patent, there is no blockage in the tubes also. Now there is no reason why pregnancy is not occurring. Ultrasound में ovaries are normal, eggs are there, eggs are getting formed, eggs are getting released, the sperm count is normal, sperm motility is there, and HSG में tubes are also open. So when all these basic testing has been done, even then the pregnancy is not occurring, then we say it is an unexplained infertility. Many a times we call it only after doing a laparoscopy, because कई बार लेप्रोस्कोपी में हमें रीज़न मिल जाता है कि प्रेगनेंसी क्यों नहीं हो रही है. Usually the reason that is found in a laparoscopy can be mild endometriosis. Endometriosis means the lining of the uterus, which is usually inside the uterus. Sometimes those cells are present outside the uterus in the abdominal cavity, in the pelvic cavity. And इससे क्या होता है कि tubes are there, ovaries are there, eggs are getting released, but देयर इज़ अ जनरलाइज इन्फ्लेमेशन, जैसे कि सूजन जैसी आ रखी होती है सब जगह में, यूट्रस में, ओवरीज में, आसपास के एरिया में. सो व्हाट हैपन्स, देयर इज़ अ अप्रॉक्सीमेट टोटल डिसफंक्शन काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. एग्स बन रहे हैं बट वो पिक नहीं कर पा रही है ट्यूब, या तो पिक कर रही है वो मूव नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. सो देयर इज़ अ जनरलाइज डिसफंक्शन काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई प्रेगनेंसी इज़ नॉट अकरिंग. Mild endometriosis is many a times a very common thing which is found in the laparoscopy in such cases, and we can treat it by doing some ovulation induction or facilitating it with IUI. Many a times we do super ovulation in such cases. The other reason which is usually found in the cases of unexplained infertility is when we do the semen analysis at a very good center. Then we find out that though the sperms are there, count is good, motility is also there, the sperms are moving also, but morphology is not good. Morphology means the sperms, how are they looking like. अगर आपने सीमेन एनालिसिस किसी छोटी लैब से कराया है जहाँ पे माइक्रोस्कोप भी नॉर्मल साइज का है, then they may not be able to have seen or able to recognize what is the morphology. Morphology का मतलब होता है कि जो एक नॉर्मल शेप होती है एक स्पर्म की, कि उसमें एक हेड होता है, एक टेल होती है, they may not be have been able to see it due to the quality issue of the microscope. But जब हम ये सीमेन एनालिसिस अपनी लैब में करते हैं या आप इसे किसी भी बड़े सेंटर पे कराते हैं, then when they look under a microscope, then they are able to see that out of 100 sperms, many a times we see only 2 of them are normal looking or only 3 of them are normal looking, and rest of them 97% or 98% maybe there is some abnormality in the shape. हो सकता है टेल डिवाइडेड हो, टेल हाफ हो, हेड डिवाइडेड हो, हेड हाफ हो, या हेड की शेप नॉर्मल नहीं हो. सो देयर कैन बी मैनी थिंग्स. और जब ये स्पर्म्स, एबनॉर्मल लुकिंग स्पर्म्स मेजॉरिटी में होते हैं, सो द चांसेस ऑफ हैविंग अ नॉर्मल प्रेगनेंसी ड्यू टू लेसर अमाउंट ऑफ नॉर्मल लुकिंग स्पर्म्स इज़ रियली वेरी लेस. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द रीजन्स ऑफ अनएक्सप्लेन्ड इनफर्टिलिटी. इस कंडीशन में भी द ट्रीटमेंट ऑप्शन विच इज़ अवेलेबल इज़ IUI. IUI is a procedure where we give you some medicines to correct the quality of the sperms as much as we can, and then when the egg is ready we call you to the clinic. We ask you to give a semen sample, a person takes it, prepares it, makes a concentrate of it, and we put that concentrate inside the uterus. So this way the good number of sperms are put in a good concentration directly inside the uterus. So obviously probability of pregnancy increases. If we talk about any further reasons of unexplained infertility, those we get to know when we do an IVF cycle. जब हमने ओवुलेशन इंडक्शन कर लिया, IUI भी कर लिया, and even then the pregnancy is not occurring even after 3-4 cycles of IUI in case of unexplained infertility, then we obviously proceed for a IVF cycle. जब हम IVF करते हैं then we get to know many a times the reason behind. कभी कभी जो एग है, एग की wall is very hard, so it is not possible for the sperm to penetrate the wall and fertilize it. That is why the pregnancy was not occurring. So we have to do a procedure called ICSI, which is done in an IVF cycle. Other reason can be many a times there is something wrong with the division of the cells inside. For that we have to do laser assisted hatching. So again, that is the reason why pregnancy was not occurring naturally inside. So we have to do an IVF cycle. So in this way we can say there are many reasons which are at the molecular level and why pregnancy was not occurring naturally. So for an unexplained infertility, I would say do follow the course, get all your blood tests and all the investigations done, and if you have been found out without any reason why pregnancy is not occurring, go ahead with the protocols which we usually advise, like ovulation induction, super ovulation, IUI, but don't waste too long. अगर 6 महीने से आपने ये सारे प्रोसीजर ट्राई कर लिए हैं and even then the pregnancy is not occurring, then definitely plan an IVF cycle. Don't delay it further, because age related decline के साथ साथ again unexplained infertility will become more difficult. So don't waste your time. Do visit a clinic nearby your place, and if you have any other further queries, you can leave us in the comment section. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.